Hello everyone, welcome to IIPC India's Data Science program. I'm Roshan Xavier, an alumni of IIIT Bangalore, and today we'll be looking at a glimpse of the Master's program for Data Science. So basically, the Master's program is designed in a way to cover 10 of the most important modules that you will come across whenever you're applying for a job in data science. So what are these 10 different modules? The very first module covers the mathematics aspect of data science. Now, why do you need mathematics? Basically, whenever you are creating any kinds of models or you're trying to create any kinds of systems, you're going to require mathematics as the base structure of it. So just like school and college, we are going to be covering mathematics stepwise so that you can get a detailed idea about how does mathematics get implemented in data science. Moving on, we'll be talking about statistics. Now, why do you need statistics? Again, just like mathematics, statistics helps you understand different kinds of complex problems by decoding them using basic algorithms. So these again will be practically covered using all the visual aspects of statistics and the theoretical aspects of statistics as well. The next module will cover the basics of Python and R programming. These are going to be two individual modules in which we'll be giving you the detailed idea about how you can use the Python programming language and the R programming language to solve all your different kinds of queries in programming. This is going to be really beneficial when we'll move on to the different kinds of modules related to machine learning. All the basic concepts of Python and R are going to be really helpful when you want to create or implement any kinds of solutions using the languages. After this, we will be going towards the Excel module. Now within Excel, we will be doing all the different kinds of basic data churning. We'll be manipulating the data. Except for that, we can also create different kinds of dashboards and use different kinds of tests like the ANOVA test, t-test and so on. In the next module, we will be discovering some of the really important concepts that are related to SQL, which are going to help you quickly analyze how can you use or how can you fetch data from a given database. Now this is going to be really helpful in a real life scenario, wherein let's assume that you're working for a given company. Then it is really going to be helpful or a critical point to source data from your given client. In such situations, SQL is going to be your best friend. Moving on, let's assume that your client is working on a very big data chunk. In such a case, having an understanding of big data is going to go a very long way. Hence, we will also be covering big data so that you can work on different kinds of tools like the Spark and Hadoop to work on different kinds of big data churning activities. Moving on, we'll be covering cloud integration so that you can get a detailed idea about how you could connect to all these different kinds of data that are present on cloud. So what do we cover in the cloud computing? We will cover the basic infrastructure so that you have a basic idea about how does the entire cloud ecosystem work. After which we will be moving on to the integration part, where we will be connecting your current knowledge or your current ideas with the cloud databases so that you can get a detailed idea about how can you work in sync with the current data structures in cloud. In the final module, we'll be covering the most important segments related to machine learning, by which you can create models that will run or that can be trained so that you can do different kinds of algorithms or you can work on different kinds of algorithms. Overall, this entire module should be a perfect system that can help you in working in all different kinds of job roles, be it data analytics, be it data visualization, or be it all the major concepts related to data science. You should be able to work smoothly in all of these segments by just covering this module. This module need not be taken as a course itself, because it covers all the major aspects of everything that you will find in the market. It is a complete bundle of everything that you would need in any different kind of job role that you will come across. Now, the module can be taken in two different formats. You may either choose to go with the classroom course, wherein you will have a one-to-one session with the instructor, or else you could do the same thing with an online course as well. The benefits of both these courses are huge depending on your current situation. Except for this, there is something that is really important that comes as a bonus when you enroll from IIPC. We have our own LMS, which is a learning management system. Now, what does the learning management system cover? It basically comes with all the packages, or it is basically your best friend to learning data science. So basically what it provides us It is your go-to location for all the assignments, notes, video lectures, and quizzes. So this is going to prepare you in learning better so that you know when and where you can get your data and how can you meet deadlines by working with your content. Once you're done with the learning aspect of it, then all kinds of placement activities will be put up on the learning management system. Also, you can do all the different kinds of sessions, or you could book a doubt clearing session using the learning management system as well. So basically, this is going to be your one place stop for all your different kinds of data science learning needs. So that's all for this basic overview. I believe you should have had a detailed understanding about how data science or how the entire course is channelized to help you get a better job in the data science industry. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now.